too soon. Hey kids, welcome back. You know, it's been a strange summer here in Canada. Basically, the country has been on fire since, well, May, June-ish. Alberta lit up in early June, and throughout the whole entire summer, we've had massive forest fires throughout the whole country. Right now, it's end of August, beginning of September. It's actually September 1st today. And BC and the territories are on fire now, so smoke has been a real problem this summer for us, let alone the fires that are destroying homes across this country. So
Alberta is burning, forcing more than 29,000 people to flee as more than 100 wildfires rage on.
Fires actively burning right now in British Columbia. This season alone, there has been 1,957 wildfires, and currently there are 12 fires of
plumes of smoke caused by a fire that ignited only this afternoon. It's out of control, and so far, it's been devastating.
This fire has damaged several homes and properties.
We are following breaking news out of Yellowknife tonight. Officials have announced an evacuation order for the entire city as a wildfire burns its way closer to it. Everyone is being ordered out by Friday at noon.
As night fell, the landscape became more hellish. Trees candling, home after home up in flames.
It's all very unreal.
I thought I would come out today and do this shot. You know this location well if you watch this channel. I've shot it in the winter and I've shot it in the summer. It's fall now. It's actually early fall. I was surprised. I was heading out to another lake to shoot sunset tonight, but I thought I'd check out the colors here, and they're really good. And I think if I wait till next week to come back, I might miss some of these fall colors because the fall season's a little early this year. I think because of the drought, the leaves and the trees are changing a little earlier. So this is the traditional shot that I've shot here before with the little bridge and the creek. In the winter when you walked in, let me show you. Now in the winter when I was here, you know how much snow there was. If you look at this clip, you'll see how much snow there was in the winter here. And I had to have snowshoes to get to this location. But I mean, come on, just look at that. Sunset is, let me come in front of the camera. Sunset is still a good hour and a half, 2 hours away, but because of the mountains, we're going to lose the light here pretty quickly. So I want to get set up. It won't be an 8:30 sunset. It's going to be earlier than that. So let's get set up. This is going to be a short video. With the forest fires and 3 weddings that I had in a month, the summer has gotten away from me. So it happens, but the weddings that I shot, they were some tasty photos. Check them out. Like I said, it's going to be a pretty straightforward shot. I've shot it a bunch of times. I am going to pop on a polarizer just to darken that blue down, but it's a pretty straightforward shot. I think my eyes are getting old. I can't get it to thread. There we go. 2-second timer is on. I want to do the shot now because I have a feeling we're going to lose the light pretty bad here. Now, because I put that polarizer on, I'm going to have to increase my exposure some way, somehow. I don't want to change my f-stop, f8, because I want to get all that in focus. I have to talk quick because I'm losing that contrast light. So 400, 1/125th of a second, 2-second timer. Let's pop it and see what we get. I'm underexposing just a little bit to bring out some more tone and more color. I really like how that grass, and let me show you, I really like how this grass is lighting up here. If I put a grad filter on, I would darken this a little bit just to expose for the mountain, but I'm not going to do that today. Simple shot, like I said, 1/100th instead of 1/25th of a second, 2-second timer, focusing on the mountain, popping the shot. That's all there is to it. That looks so good. One thing that's really cool about this spot here is that's the main lodge and gift shop right there with the red roof on. The parking lot is about 300 yards on the other side of that. So everybody parks, they come in, they check out the gift shop, and then they head to the lake this way. So everybody kind of culminates there. In this area, there's nobody here. I've shot here in the winter, shot here in the summer, and now I'm shooting it in the fall. Occasionally you'll get some people walking past to do the glacier hike. There's the glacier and the falls. Hopefully you can see that on the GoPro. Maybe I'll move over here so you can see it. The falls are there. That's the Bow Falls there. I think it's the Bow Falls, but the glacier is right on top. The waterfall is there, and people hike all the way along here. As you can see right now, there's somebody just walking across here now, but the crowds in this little spot here are never really here. I think it's a secret little spot that people just don't know about. As you can tell, somebody's walking here now to do the hike around, but there's nobody here. Don't you just love fall? I love the colors in the grasslands along the creek that leads to that bridge. So now I've got this shot in 3 out of the 4 seasons: fall, summer, and winter. Which is your favorite? Winter? Look at how much snow accumulated by that bridge. Maybe the same shot, but in a different season looks like a completely different place. Or is it summer? I don't know. For me, there's something about fall that is tasty. And just like that, the light on the grass is gone. So we won't get any more light here now because of the mountain behind us blocking the sun. So we got the shot. That's all it is today, guys. Just a quick, simple, little easy video. Like I said earlier, I was going to go to another lake, but I went over there today and it's just not going to be a good day for it. That lake is a sunrise lake, so I'm going to hold off on doing that video and we'll do that one in Sunrise. If you want to know what lake it is, it's the next lake after Bull Lake. If you know the area, you know what I'm talking about. If you don't know, I'm going to keep it a little bit of surprise, but hopefully we'll get that one done soon sometime as well. That's it. In the meantime and in between time, stay healthy, stay safe. I'll catch you next time, guys.
And as always, guys, please rock the subscribe button and ring the bells for notifications. We'll check you next time.